Hi, this is a video particularly for people who haven't drawn for a long time or feel they can't even, which is crazy. I always say to my students, it's like if there was a piano in the other side of the room, you wouldn't expect just to be able to play it without practicing. You'd have to do scales and it would sound a bit off. And you'd practice and then you'd get the rewards because you'd practice. It's exactly the same with drawing. Oh, now, before we start, I also think it's very good to get the blood pumping. So I'd like you to put on your favourite tune. Put on your favourite tune, have a very quick dance. And let's have some fun. So now you're nicely warmed up, let's have a look at this first exercise, which is to do a wine glass. It could be any glass, of course. We all know glasses are round, so when you're looking at that, it's round, and as you twist it, then you get an oval, and if it's straight on, then this would be on eye level. You see it flat, and then you go the other way, and you see another oval that way. There. That's just something to bear in mind. We're not going to worry about technicalities. It's just to have there. And then we're going to break this down into really basic shapes. So I'm just looking at the proportions of the top bit. So I'm taking it from here to here, and then straight down the sides there. And then I'm seeing that about the same length is for the stem. So I'm just going to try and get a line vaguely centre and a line for where the base is. There, and there we have a glass. No. And then we can start looking at the oval. We're seeing it'll be slightly different from the camera angle. What I'm seeing, it's not a circle like this, and it's not a straight line. It's somewhere in between. It's sort of like that. Draw lots of ovals, one will be right. And then I'm going to just look at this shape down the side, which sort of comes around like this. It's quite hard to get them exactly the same both ways because you're using, because you're right-handed and all sorts of things, but we're not taking a photo, we're doing an artist impression of a glass. And then this tapers slightly. And then look at how much of the base you see behind the middle and in front. So for me, I'm sort of seeing a little bit behind and more in front. So and it's about the same width as this. I'm doing this heavier than I'm using charcoal just so that it comes out well on the video. And squeaks a little bit. And then you can start putting in some lines when you're a bit surer where they are to go. And as this is, I'm seeing dark bits here and light bits here, so you don't have to draw every bit. Your eye fills in some of it. There's a sort of bobble of glass down here. And then a bobble of glass at the bottom too. You can move things now. I'm thinking, oh, that's a little bit higher. So keep adjusting. And if you work on the whole thing at once, don't get into detail too much too soon, because then you think, oh, I've put all that effort in, I don't want to change it. So you've got to be able to be flexible to change lines as you see them in one place. So that's my original line. I'm now seeing it's a little bit further in. This one too, a bit further in. We're not looking for something to put on the wall to frame. This is like doing the scales of the piano. So it's getting the right side of your brain engaged. The left side of the brain says, I know what a glass looks like. But it's just trying to relax and enjoy the process. So that's stage 1. Stage 2 is to put some wine in the glass. And then we can look at that line. This is all for the exercise, of course. So now I'm going to look where the wine is. It's here. It's actually quite a wide oval because you're looking a bit. It's going to be a bit wider than this one because you're looking down at it. I'm seeing quite dark bits here and dark bits here. And of course, if we then have a drink of the wine, there'll be another line that we can draw, and so it goes on. So have a go, be loose and scribbly, don't worry too much about the results, it's just getting started, and I hope you enjoy it.